Everybody, Deangelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I thought I would make this video on why some people who buy courses don't make any money. And this is like a huge thing in the making money online niche. Like there are people who go and they'll buy a course and literally just never see results. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video here. So first things first is we're going to go on the person who is selling the course. So we're going to go after the course owner first. Then we're going to go after the people who are buying the courses or whatnot. So sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes the course owner promotes the course in a way that I feel like they shouldn't promote it. You know, like for me, I'm always transparent. I tell you, like if you're going for the Team Deangelo Level 2 course or whatnot, I tell you like you need this amount of money, you're gonna have to get this, you're gonna have to get that. I have a whole list of requirements so you know right out the gate what you're getting into. But a lot of other course owners will not do that. Like Mr. Opulent, for example. Love the course or whatnot. I spent $6,000 on that course. Good information, right? But what I don't like is that they don't tell you that you need $10,000 afterwards, right? You go buy this course for $6,000. I think it's probably lower by now and whatnot. Let's say it's like $2,000 or $3,000 last time I checked. But you go and pick up this course, right? You spend your last $2,000 or $3,000 on it, and then you literally just wasted $2,000 or $3,000, and because you can't do anything with it. Like you literally threw it into the garbage because you actually cannot do anything with the information because you can't afford the $500, a month software. You can't afford, the $3,000 or $4,000 that you're going to need because you're going to be doing native advertising or mobile advertising or adult traffic. Like there is no ifs, ands, or buts. You need thousands of dollars to be able to run that traffic because there's just so much garbage, right? So you'll go and basically send your money, spend this money up or whatnot, and then you pretty much just SOL, and there's nothing you can do about it. And you're just like, well, fuck. I literally just threw $2,000-$3,000 into the garbage. Like you literally set it on fire because you cannot do anything with it. Now you have to spend all this time saving up again to be able to actually do this stuff. And then there's no guarantee that you're actually going to make money where, you're like, no, I just can't waste another $2,000 or $3,000. So you pretty much just threw that into the garbage and you're never going to see results with that course. Another problem on the course end is that, sometimes they will have these testimonials or whatnot, and they're just like, oh, Samantha made $180,000 this month, or John made $50,000 this month, or however much money, but they never tell you how much money these people already had. So you'll go and spend $500, $1,000, or however much it is for this course, and just to find out that, John and Samantha or whoever, already had $20,000 when they started, but you got like $200 in the bank after you just bought the course, right? So there is no way in hell you're going to be able to make money. Like you have to go out and work now, and you're going to basically be in the same predicament if you had bought the Mr. Opulent course or whatnot. You're like, you know what? There is no guarantee. I'm just going to take the loss of the $1,000, and then that's it, right? So in my opinion, if that's the predicament that you're in or whatnot, that's the course owner's fault. Because they should have told you straight up, like, look, this is how much money that you need, right? Now, on the other hand, let's say they tell you everything that you possibly need. They list everything. They let you know everything, realistic, testimonials, the whole 9 yards. They tell you everything right out the gate. Then, 99% of the time, it's the person who bought the course's fault because they didn't do shit. Like that really comes out to like a lot of it. Like people legit just don't do anything when they buy a course, or they'll apply what they learned for a few hours. And it's mind blowing to me that people will go and work at a job for 40 hours for $400 or $500, but they won't even put in 4 to 5 hours for tens of thousands of dollars throughout the year working for themselves. But they'll go bust their ass working for somebody else. I don't know. Like I said, that's just weird to me. I've always been that person that will tell you straight up, like, there is nobody on this planet that will pay you more than you will. Like, think about that. Like, who will pay you more money than you will? Nobody. You can go work at any job in America, and none of the CEOs and anybody in that company is going to want to pay you more than they would pay themselves. If anything, they're trying to dock your pay. Pay your ass less. But yeah, that's like the main two reasons right there. The first part, again, like I said, that's really on the course owners or whatnot. I really hate the when course people do that or whatever. Like gives it a bad name and stuff, you know. Like I said, because you be all hyped up, you know, you go spend your last $500 on a course or whatever, thinking you're gonna be like the next John or Samantha, making tens of thousands of dollars a month, and then you realize that you know you need tens of thousands of dollars to get close to that. Like they never tell you that, and I don't care what anyone says. This is for drop shipping, CPA marketing, whatever. Like if you're doing paid advertising, anybody who's making tens of thousands of dollars with paid advertising or hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know, it's because they're doing paid advertising 99% of the time. Now, if it's free traffic, then you can just throw everything I just said out the window. But if it's with paid traffic, and they're like, oh, we're going to show you how to do Facebook ads, we're going to show you how to do Google ads, or whatever the case may be, you need tens of thousands of dollars for that. Because let's say you got $100 in the bank, and you can do 5x. That's good money. Don't get me wrong. It's going to take you. It'll still get you to hundreds of thousands of dollars, but it's not going to get you to where you're going to make $100,000 your very first month. It's just not going to happen because you have to wait, right? If you're doing drop shipping on PayPal, you have to worry about your account getting frozen. You know, there's a lot of different factors that go into this here or whatnot. Like, and then let's say you go the route I recommend, you know, of getting a merchant account and, you know, getting everything set up. Like, it's going to take you like a whole fucking month to get everything set up properly. So, like, your first month most likely is not going to be any money at all. And if you do make some money, it's going to be very little money. And if you are shooting for, you know, the moon, you're not even going to fall amongst the stars because you haven't even left the goddamn ground yet. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Like I said, it sucks that there are some course owners like that. But again, there are like 99% of the time when people don't make money with buying courses because they aren't doing shit. I'll tell people straight up all day long, go to Craigslist right now. You'll see results. You'll be able to make money, guaranteed return on investment. And somehow they still won't make any money. Like, if you go to Craigslist right now and put up an ad, you will make money. Now, if people are like, oh, well, I didn't see any results, I'm just going to assume you didn't put up an ad. Because it's impossible. And let's say you did put up an ad and it got ghosted or it got shut down. Try again. It's $3. It's $5. It's $10. You're going to spend that shit on a pizza or some gas or some random shit that you don't need anyway. Like, this is work, guys. Like, this isn't some fairy tale push button magical software that you just go and you just pull some shit out of your ass and it's just going to make you hundreds of thousands of dollars overnight. Like, this is work. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below.